See the stars swinging back and forth. Hold up, hold up, hold up. I feel life inside my stomach love. Lately, most of the time, I don't lie when I come up saying it's so easy with you to smile. You make the moments pass simply. You truly got me at high. I never quit the seconds I'm thinking I've never seen you again. I wasn't sure until accidentally we bumped into each other's hands. Or was it destiny, or was it meant to be? Darling, I know we're just friends. Quite of times I find me wondering of feels I can't understand. Last train will stay the same. Walking down the aisle ain't the last thing we sustained. Last train will drive us apart, and what future beholds mustn't get scared at all. Cause when with the lucky ones we'll meet up again soon. Are you okay? Tell me what you do, what you're up to do. I saw a horse next to our schoolhouse that maybe you wanted to know. Sometimes it's hard to say what is in my head. Sometimes I need to say, but importantly, us truthfully, guess we've forgotten about what's fake. Last train will stay the same. Walking down the aisle ain't the last thing we sustained. Last train will drive us apart, and what future beholds mustn't get scared at all. Cause when with the lucky ones we'll meet up again soon. Oh, we'll meet again soon. We'll meet again soon. Last train will drive us apart, and what future beholds mustn't get scared at all. Cause when with the lucky ones we'll meet up